In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to launch Recorder app that's already on your OnePlus and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Settings. Operate all of those however you want to, like for example deciding which format you wanna use. Go back, tap on Receiver mode, and this way switch it on, or tap on Speaker mode to switch this one on. Wherever you decided when you finished to start recording, use red button at the bottom in the middle. Hit while using the app and allow to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To see live transcription, click on it above red button and select OK. Then you will see it on your screen. If you wanna change a language, click on it over here and pick yours if it wasn't correctly recognized. To end your recording and save it, use the same red button you used to start it. As you can see, mine is here. To play it, click on it. To manage it, operate all of those options, like skipping it, adding bookmarks while listening, seeing your bookmarks thanks to this button here, and editing them as you go. You can enable or disable AI clear voice. Sometimes it doesn't work right away. And you can use those three dots at the top right corner to operate all of those options. You can also click on those two arrows. If your recording turned into this line, if you want, you can go back, hold it here, and also use all of those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!